In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq for task management. We'll start from a blank screen and end with a clear scheduled task list you can rely on every day. First, open Logseq. If this is your first time, think of Logseq as a simple, bullet-focused notebook that's great at turning notes into action. Once you're in, head straight to your journals. Journals are your daily workspace, automatically organized by date, which makes them perfect for quick task capture and review. On your journal page, create a fresh entry by typing the word today. Press enter to move to the next line, then press tab to indent. That indented line is where your actionable items will live, neatly grouped under today so they don't get lost among other notes. Next, type a / to open Logseq's command menu. You'll see a searchable list of commands and templates. Scroll or type to find the task options. Choose the one that inserts a task status, such as a to-do item. This places a task marker at the beginning of your line, which Logseq understands and can track across pages. From here, pick the status that best matches your intention. You can mark something as a due if it's not started, now if it's urgent, or later if it can wait. There are other options as well, like doing or waiting, so you can reflect exactly where a task stands. The key is to pick a status you'll consistently use, because consistency is what makes your list trustworthy. Type your task description right after the status. Keep it short but clear, starting with a verb so you know exactly what to do. When that's done, type a / again and search for the calendar or scheduling command. This opens a date picker so you can anchor the task to a specific day. Choose the date that makes sense for when you plan to work on it. If you rely on deadlines, you can set those too. And if it's something that repeats, like a weekly report or a monthly reminder, make it repeatable. You can select a repeat option or add a simple interval so the task automatically reappears on the schedule you choose. That's it. Open Logseq, use your journal, create a task with the / menu, set the right status, describe it clearly, and schedule a date or repetition. Keep adding tasks under today the same way, and you'll have a clean living list that keeps you focused and on track.